everybody is going to write that same day in your activity sheets and the notebooks, whichever we are going to use for today. Okay? So, what's the weekday for today? What is the weekday?
Monday.
Monday, okay. So everybody has done their homework. Everybody has seen the calendar and come to the class. Good to see that. So yesterday, since we didn't study anything, we were only playing, sleeping and eating. Was Sunday. Today it's Monday. A new day, new week. So कुछ नया सीखना है इस हफ्ते को. We are going to learn something new this week. Okay? Every day little new we have to study. It's a new week. So we are going to learn all about some theme. We'll talk that later. Okay? So how's the climate at your end? Now this is somewhere you'll love to answer, right? So climate in Hyderabad? Cloudy, okay. I need to check how's the climate at my end. Okay.
Sunny.
Sunny.
It is sunny.
Abhigna has sunny climate. Oh, sad to hear that. Anybody else?
Cloudy. No,
Cloudy, okay. Anybody else raining?
Cloudy.
Okay. Krutika, how's the climate over there? How's the climate over there?
Cloud.
Cloudy, okay. Sriram has cloudy climate?
Yes.
Okay, cloudy. So most of the kids have a cool climate. That is cloudy climate. But we are not sleepy. We are active. Yes, we are active. We are ready for this. Yes, Manya? Is it cloudy at your end? Somebody is having the sound, background sound television. I request you all to mute. Okay. Samira has cloudy. So, Samira has cloudy climate. Sriram also has cloudy. Harsha ma'am also has cloudy climate. So, basically, the climate for today is cloudy. Only 1 or 2 kids have sunny. Rest all have cloudy and nobody is having a rainy climate. Nobody or nowhere it's raining today. Maybe it will rain after some time because it's cloudy. There are chances to rain. When it rains, when the sky becomes cloudy. And because it becomes cloudy, then it may or may not, but it rains. So we have 100% chances of rains today. Okay? So since you all said it's cloudy, I'm not going to show these finger puppets. Everybody has a cloudy climate. I'm not going to wear all since I've already showed the dial. So now coming to theme conversation. What's the theme for today? Since it's Monday, I'm going to introduce a new theme. Okay? Hitesh is ready with her theme card. So this is a theme dangler. Everyone might be having this, correct? Everyone might be having this. The theme for today is all about my house. All about my house. What is a house? What is a house? Anybody? Hi, good morning, Adhya. Good morning. I want a smile on your face. Smile.
तुमको बोल रही है smile.
First smile. I want to see you smiling. Bigger smile.
No, first smile.
Bigger smile.
In house.
That's it.
We live in house.
Everybody was yes, Adhya. Yes, that's correct. Good to see you smiling now. Everybody mute. When I talk, you all are silent. When you all talk, I am silent. Okay? So now everybody's eyes on the screen. I was asking a question. Yes, Avi, I can see that. I'm shouting loudly. I can see that. Okay. So the theme for this week, we are going to learn all about our home. My house. What do you mean by my house? What do you mean by my house? I'll show this later when we talk about it. But today we are going to learn only about one simple topic, very easy topic.
Where we stay.
Where we live, very good. So nothing but everyone has this. So everybody knows the theme for this week is my house. Now, house is nothing but where we all human beings stay. Listen carefully, okay? It's very easy and very simple topic to understand. House is a place where human beings, we, kids, family, mummy, daddy, grandpa, any member of the family, all the members of the family live because we all need a shelter to live in. Correct? We need a shelter to live in. We cannot live like animals. We are not animals, right? Are we animals? Nod your heads. Yes or no? Are we animals? Hiteshi. Yes or no?
No.
She said yes and then she did no. Abhigna, yes. Are we animals? No. Yes, that was good. That was good to see. Okay. So, animals live in jungles or outside the houses. They roam, they walk, they run, they hunt. Whatever they do, they do. But we are not animals. We are human beings. Human beings needs a shelter. Shelter is nothing but a house to live in. Okay, whatever you see around you, your colony, your friends, wherever they stay in a house. And we stay in a home. Home is nothing but staying with your family members. A house becomes home. If you're staying with your family members in a house, right? So we call it as home sweet home. Home sweet home, there's a rhyme also which we are going to learn. Okay, so the theme for this week is all about houses. So we are going to learn different types of houses, the rooms, the different rooms, what we have in our house or home, all that we are going to learn. But today, we are just going to learn this. And why we need a house to live? Because, why? क्यों? घर में क्यों रहना अपन? बाहर भी रह सकते हैं? We can even live like animals in the jungle? No, we cannot live. Why? Because it protects us. It saves us from hot sun. Can you stay outside in the sun for long hours? Yes or no?
No.
Adventure.
Yes, Manya, do you want to say something?
Adventure also, man.
Sorry?
Adventure. And protected always.
Yes, correct, Adya. Come up with your ideas. Like, say, Adya has come. Even you all have to come up with the new ideas. Think why we need a house to live. We need a house or a home to live because it protects us from hot sun. During summer season, it's very hot outside, very, very hot. You cannot live. So you need a house. And when it's raining heavily, can you stay outside your house? No. See, Krishna is showing me like this. So you cannot stay outside your house when it's raining also. So you need a house to live when it's raining also. And also, when there is some thieves, chore, robbers, correct? So if they come, they'll kill you or they'll rob you. So to protect ourselves, we need to lock ourselves in the house. When you're sleeping or something, you cannot go sleep outside or leave your stuff, leave your belongings outside the house. You cannot. You need a house to even keep your belongings inside your house. To keep your jewelry, your money, your dresses, all your valuable things inside the house.
And also, man.
Yes, that's correct. I'm coming to that point. Yes. Yes, that's correct, Katya. It also protects us from wild animals. See, pet animals will not eat you, will not hunt you. But wild animals might kill you because when they are hungry, they need food. And the food for them is the flesh of our body or any other animal's body. So it protects us from wild animals also. Correct? Correct? Can you stay with a lion in the jungle? No. Because we need to stay. We cannot stay with them. We need to stay in our home with our family members. So basically, home or house is a place because human beings need a shelter to live in. Ahan and Manya talking.
Look my house, ma'am.
Look yours. Let me pin you then first. Okay, wow, that's a beautiful house. One second, let me understand. Wow, who made that? That's a good one to see, in fact. If you all can see Ahan on your screens, try to see his house. Show it in front of camera, Ahan. Yes. See, he has a house, a piggy bank or something, a toy kind of a house kind of. You almost, even Yash is having Very good. So basically, everyone might be having your houses, your toy houses, correct? Okay. So yes, correct. If everybody talks, I'll not understand anything. It should be one by one, always one by one. So basically, I'll give you a chance to talk. Just let me finish my conversation part, then we'll get back to you all. So houses or homes we need to live because it protects us from hot sun, it protects us from rain, it protects us from thieves, it protects us from wild animals also. And most important, now presently it's protecting us from coronavirus. Correct? We are not going to school. Why? We are sitting at home and studying. Why? Because outside there is a virus called corona that might harm us, that might kill us. That's why we are sitting inside our houses. So if you don't have a house and if you stay outside, corona might come to you. Correct? Then you might be admitted in hospital or this and that will happen. And that's why we need a house. Presently, most importantly, we need a house because to protect ourselves from coronavirus, which is outside. That's why everybody, the government, the doctors, everybody is saying to wear masks, stay inside your houses and stay safe. Right? Understood? So this is basically all about my home meaning and the reasons why to stay inside our homes. So this is only this much we are going to study for today. No, one more thing we are going to study. Houses, before we start about different types of houses, the main categorization, the main types, 2 types of houses we are going to learn today. Okay, 2 types of houses we are going to learn today. Houses can be divided into kacha houses and pakka houses. You all might be knowing. If you all don't know, I will explain it. Everybody sit straight, eyes on the screen, eyes on me. Everybody sit straight. Everybody is going to watch me. Everybody is going to look at me. Okay? Because Harsha ma'am is teaching something important. I'm going to ask you the questions also. So, ears open, eyes open. Ears open, eyes open. And this should be closed. And this should be closed. Okay? Very good, Avi. He's sitting, holding his hands and sitting straight. Good to see that. So, houses are divided into 2 types. Kacha house, pakka house. Kacha house, pakka house. Swapn is also showing his house. So, how many types? 2 types. Kacha, pakka. Kacha, pakka. Kacha matlab, kacha is a Hindi word, pakka is also a Hindi word basically. Kacha houses are nothing but the houses, your best example for your kacha house is huts. Because it is made up of dried grass, bamboo sticks, straws, correct? Kacha houses, basically even the one which I showed you, this is a kacha house because it's a hut. It is made up of dried grass, straws or stones or wood which is temporary. They are not fixed. When heavy rain falls, they may get destroyed. They may destroy or they may, people inside, living inside them may not be safe and secure living inside a kacha house. Okay, the people who cannot afford a nice house, they stay in these huts. And these huts are made up of straws, wood, dried grass, bamboo sticks, stones and all those things. They are not permanent. They cannot stay at one place for a fixed period of time. They might get destroyed due to heavy rains or anything. Any reason it can be, but they are not permanent in nature. The people who cannot afford pakka houses will build these houses and stay. Okay? This is kacha house which is made up of dried grass. You have to remember the word dried grass or straws or stones or woods. All those things. The second house or second type of house is pakka house. Pakka house is nothing but in your dangler you can see a house or the house where you all stay is a pakka house. Pakka house is a fixed. You want to drink water? Drink fast. Drink. I'll give everybody to check. Pakka house is a permanent house, a very strong house. Whatever sun comes or heat comes or it rains, whatever. If it rains heavily also, floods also come, then also it will not destroy your house. You are still safe inside. In kacha house, you are not safe. But in Pakka house, you're safe. Nothing will happen to you. If you're living, we all live in Pakka house. Most of us, 99% or all the kids, teacher, everybody stays or lives in a Pakka house. And staying in a Pakka house is nothing but we are safe because they are strong. They are fixed in one place. They don't move from place to place. They don't get destroyed easily. Okay? वो पक्का house है. Pakka house can be made out of bricks. You all know what bricks are, right? The walls, the house is constructed using bricks. Bricks is nothing but a slab, a rectangular slab using cement and everything. We build a house. The engineers or the people who build houses use this to make a pakka house. Okay? They use bricks. They use cement. See, I have said they use iron rods also. They use iron rods to construct one nice pakka house to live in. So today's class, what is a house? What is a home? Basically house. Why do we need to stay inside the house? What are the reasons which protects us? And types of houses, that is kacha and pakka house, are the two things which we learned for today. Okay? Now quickly watch this. Then we'll start with something. Then Sakshi ma'am will come up and take the rhyme session for you. Everybody is going to be on mute. Okay, listen carefully.
Types of houses. A house is a place made for people to live. The house in which we live with our family is called our home. Our house protects us from rain, heat, wild animals, thieves, and snow. There are primarily two types of houses, kacha house and pakka house. This is a kacha house. Kacha houses are made using mud, straw, wood, stones, and dry leaves. These houses are temporary houses and are not very strong. While this is a pakka house. Pakka houses are made using bricks, iron rods, cement, etc. These houses are permanent houses and are built very strong. Pakka houses cannot be moved and are fixed.
So this was what all I explained. The same thing in the video it was shown. Okay? So now that's it about all about theme conversation. Now I request Sakshi ma'am to come up and take the rhymes for you and quickly finish that and come back to me. I'll take up the curriculum for you. Okay?
Good morning, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. Good morning.
Morning,
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Good morning.
Ma'am.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So I want all of you to get ready. Mute yourself, children. Quickly mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself fast. I want all of you to mute yourself. Quickly.
Mute, ma'am. Mute karo.
Off your cameras. Mute yourself.
Mute ho gaya.
Yeah, everyone off your cameras quickly. Daksh, Rudraksha, Abhigna, Katha, Swapan, Rivan, off your cameras quickly. So that my video is clear. Yeah, everyone off your camera. Shriram, off your camera. Yes, Swapan, off your camera, mute yourself. Yes, very good. So what we are going to do, we are going to do a rhyme and the name of the rhyme is Two Little Houses. Okay, what's the name of the rhyme? Two Little Houses. Okay, so let's start with the rhyme. Yeah. Two little houses closed up tight. Two little houses closed up tight. Let's open the window and light. Okay, again. So this is a rhyme based on your theme, my house. Okay, and what's the name of the rhyme? Two little houses closed up tight. Two little houses closed up tight. Let's open the windows and let in some light. Okay? Yeah, again. So what's the name of the rhyme? Two little houses. So there were two little houses which were closed up tight. All the doors and all the windows of those houses were shut. Okay? So what we are trying to say? The two little houses are closed up tight. Okay? So let's open the windows. We'll open the windows and let in some light. Okay? The light will only come inside the house when we will open the doors and the windows. Otherwise, light won't come inside. Okay, so this is the meaning of this rhyme. Again, very easy line, just 4 lines are there. Okay, very easy. Rhyme is, yeah. So again, two little houses closed up tight. Two little houses closed up tight. Let's open the windows and let in some light. Let's open the windows and let in some light. Again, two little houses closed up tight. Two little houses closed up tight. Let's open the windows and let in some light. Let's open the windows and let in some light. So this is a very easy rhyme. Just 4 lines are there. Hope you are able to learn it. Okay. Again, I'll repeat 2 more times, then I'll give you a chance. Okay. Again, two little houses closed up tight. Two little houses closed up tight. Let's open the windows and let in some light. Let's open the windows and let in some light. Okay. So anybody else? Like anyone who wants to say the rhyme? Let me repeat one more time. Two little houses closed up tight. Two little houses closed up tight. Let's open the windows and let in some light. Let's open the windows and let in some light. Okay, so we'll start with Daksh. Yes, Daksh?
Two little houses closed up tight. Two little houses closed up tight. Let's open the window and let in some light. Let's open the window and let in some light.
Wonderful. Next will be Manya. Yes, Manya.
Thank you.
Yeah, Daksh, you can off your camera. Yes, Manya, quickly.
No.
Okay, next will be Hiteshi. Yes, Hiteshi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Hiteshi.
Let's two little houses closed tight. Two little houses closed tight. Let's open the windows and
Let in some light. Very nice, Hiteshi. Next will be Ayansh. Yes, Ayansh.
Two little houses. One south.
Yes.
Open the
Windows.
right.
Wonderful. Very good, Ayansh. Let's open the windows and let in some light. Wonderful. Next will be Rudraksha. Yes, Rudraksha.
Light. The houses close to tight. Two little houses close to light.
Let's open the window.
Let's gentle light.
Very good. Let's open the windows and let in some light. Wonderful. Okay, next will be Kata. Yes, Kata?
The house is closed down tight. Let's open the window and it's in some light. Thank you.
Wonderful. Nice, Kata.
It's closed down tight. Let's open the window and let the sun light.
Wonderful, Kata. Nice. Abhigna, your turn now. Yeah, Abhigna, are you there?
So let
చెప్పు
the
మ్యామ్ చూడండి
close up tight.
లెట్స్ ఓపెన్
Close up tight.
లెట్స్ ఓపెన్
Close up.
అటు చూడాలి లెట్స్ ఓపెన్ విండో లెట్ అటు చూడాలి లెట్ ఇన్ సమ్
Night.
Wonderful. Very nice, Abhigna. That's lovely.
Thank you.
Next will be welcome. Next will be 1 second. Swapan. Yes, Swapan. Loudly, loudly.
Let's
Wonderful.
and let in some light.
Wonderful. Next will be good. Nice, Swapan. Next will be Krishna. Yes, Krishna. You there? You are on mute. Unmute. Wonderful. And let in some light. Good. Very nice, Krishna. Well tried. That's lovely. Okay.
I'm Adya.
Yeah, there you can start.
Little houses close up tight. Little houses close up high tight.
Let's open the windows.
And let in the light. Thank
Wonderful,
you.
Adya. Nice actions. Wow. Yeah. Next will be Yash. Yash, are you there? Yeah. Start.
Houses open, close the door, right.
ఓపెన్ ద విండో
Open the window. Light. It is some light.
Very nice. Lovely, Yash. Very good. Okay, Sai, your turn.
Two little houses over the sky.
Very good.
The window.
Yes. And let in some light.
Some light.
Wonderful, Sai. Yeah. Next will be Bhuvana. Bhuvana.
Door is left and left and side. Door to harvest.
Good. Open. Let's open the windows and look. Light.
Light.
Wonderful, Bhuvana. Very good. That's lovely. Okay. So next, Ahan. Yes, Ahan. Very good.
Getting sunlight.
Very good. Nice, Ahan. Wonderful. Okay. So I hope everyone got the chance. Yeah. So the ones who are left, they'll get the chance for the next rhyme. Okay. Ahan, please mute yourself. 1 second. Yeah. So now it's time to do something creative. So we are going to make a house. Okay. We are going to make a house. So I want all of you to take out your drawing book, or if you don't have your drawing book, you can take any white or any colored paper, whichever paper you have. Let's start drawing a house. Okay. Quickly take out your house. Yeah. Take out your drawing book. We'll draw a house. Everyone, I want all of you to take out your drawing book. We'll draw a house. We'll draw a beautiful house. So I'll tell you how to draw that. 1 second. Yeah. Quickly, everyone. So get ready with your drawing book, your pencil, eraser. Quickly, children. Yeah. Get ready with your drawing book, pencil, eraser. If you don't have your drawing book, you can take any rough sheet. Okay, any rough paper you can take. So let's start making a house. We'll make a beautiful house sketch. Yes. So first thing which we need to do for making a house is you need to draw a big triangle. Okay, you need to draw a big triangle in the center. So all of you know how to make a triangle. Make a big triangle on the top of your paper. So how to make this triangle? I'll repeat, 2 slanting lines and 1 slipping line. How to draw a triangle? 2 slanting lines and a slipping line. Draw 2 slanting lines and a slipping line. From one point, draw a slanting line to the right, to the left, and then join it with a slipping line. So your triangle will be ready. If you have done, you can just show me your paper. Wonderful. So all of you have drawn a triangle, right? Yeah. And try to make it on a plain paper, okay? Yeah, very good. So next will be, we'll draw a square, okay? So square, how we need to draw? One line is already drawn here. One line is already there. So draw 2 standing lines and again 1 slipping line. So your square or your rectangle is ready. So how we have done? We have made a triangle first and then you need to draw 2 standing lines and a slipping line. So your, 1 second, let me make it nicely because I'm holding it in my hand. Yeah, 1 second, let me make it nicely so that you can see. Yeah, hope you have drawn, everyone. Yes, Adya. Very nice, Adya. Yeah, if you're not able to draw like with your free hand, you can use a scale also. Okay, please mute. Otherwise, my voice will not be clear. Mute everyone. Good. I can see all of you made very nice. Okay, so what we have drawn a triangle, and after that we have drawn a square or rectangle, okay, whichever thing suits to your drawing. Okay, so next will be, children, we have to draw a door, okay, a door in the center. So this door will be rectangular. So we need to draw a door. Let's draw a door. So how to draw a door? Okay, standing line, and a sleeping line on the top. How to draw a door? Standing line, a sleeping line on the top. So this is how you need to make your door. Done. Very nice. It is very easy. So after making this door, you need to make two small windows. Okay? Yeah. After making this door, you need to make two small windows over here on the top. So make two small squares. Make two small squares. Okay, above this door, you need to make two small squares. One here and one here. One on the left and one on the right. So after making the door, we need to make two small squares. So after making these two small squares, next will be to make a cross in between. Okay, you need to put a cross here on these small windows. Put a cross on these small windows. Put a cross. Very good. Put a cross inside your windows. Put this cross, that is two slanting lines, one here and one here. Put a cross. Done. That's really nice. Okay. Wonderful. Okay, next will be, So next will be, you need to decorate your upper part. Okay, this triangle part we will decorate. So how we need to decorate it? Look here. I'll make this U shape. I am making this U shape. First make a U shape, and then again look here, make a U, make a U, make a U, make a U, and make a U shape. Like this. Keep on making U shape. You know how to write the letter U. So same I am doing it here. Make U, U, U. You need to write the letter U. First start with the one. Okay, first make a U on the top, just single U, then two U's, then three. Okay, so it will keep on. So first one U make on the top, and then this will keep on increasing. Okay, the number of U's will keep on increasing. So now last here, U, 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 and U. So our top part is... Yes. Okay. I'm not able to hear. Okay, very nice, Daksh. Nice. Okay, so next will be draw a small sun on the top. So all of you know how to draw a sun. Make a circle, then a standing line, a small standing line, again a standing line. Like this, you need to draw a sun. Draw a sun on the top of your house. And then we will make a fence. So how to make a fence? Very easy. Okay. So we will make a fence. Okay. Outside our garden, we have a fence. So we will make a fence on the sides. So standing line, standing line, standing line, and two sleeping lines like this. Look here. Again, I'll show you. Standing line, standing line, standing line, and two sleeping lines like this. So we have made a fence also. So make this fence. Why do we put this fence? To protect ourselves so that anything doesn't enter our house. Okay, so we put a fence outside our house. Okay, so this is the fence. Now here you can make a small tree if you want. Here you can make a small tree also beside your house. Make a small tree and your house picture is ready. Okay, so your house is ready. A simple and easy house we have made. Okay, very easy one. Yeah. So now coloring will be wonderful. That's very nice. Quickly show me your pictures. Yeah. Coloring you need to do later on. Okay, I'll check your work in the WhatsApp group. Yeah. Wonderful. That's, Bhuvana, yes. Kata, very good. Abhigna, Hiteshi, wonderful. Quickly show me your pictures. And off your camera. Yes, Ane, you want to say something? Yeah, beautiful. That's beautiful, Ane. Wow. Nice. Bhuvana, it's beautiful. Everyone has made it very nicely. Yeah, off your cameras after showing it to me. Bhuvana, I have seen yours. Yes, yours also. Off your cameras, please. Swapn, have you done? Sai, you are still doing? Oh, beautiful. Yeah, Sai, that's beautiful. Very nice, children. Ayansh, wonderful. Rudraksha, that's beautiful. Very nice. Very good. Bhavish, very nice. It's beautiful. Okay, so hope all of you like this. Okay, so I'll check your work. Try to post. Manya, very nice. Yeah, so color your picture, color your house picture, and send your like pictures in the WhatsApp group. Okay, after completing it. Adya, it's beautiful. Yeah, nice. Adya. Bye everyone. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Yeah. Over to you, Harsha.
Bye.
Yes, Sakshi, thank you. So, did you all enjoy drawing? Did you all enjoy a very small rhyme? Yes, Abhigna is very happy. What about Kritika? Did you enjoy? Okay, she's showing me a thumbs up. Good to see that.
Yes.
That's the best way to reply. This is the best way to reply, in fact. Yes, Ayan also enjoyed. Okay, while Sakshi was taking the class, I can see one more kid in the class with the name Demo2. Who is she or he? You can switch on your camera so that even I can talk with you like others. See, somebody should. Everybody, meanwhile, everybody keep your this thing aside, the drawing papers, because we need to learn something else also, right? We need to learn many things. I can see Abhignaz, I can see Adhya, everybody on my screen. And what about this kid? You can switch on your camera. At least tell your name. What's your name? The one with the name of Demo2 UKG. At least tell me your name. So that just like others, even I can talk to you. I can interact with you along with others. No? No response? It's okay. Everybody is here learning, right? There's nothing wrong in that. You can switch on your camera at least. Okay. So now quickly keep your creative papers aside. Go. Everybody stand up. I mean, everybody stand up. Not go. Stand up. Everybody stand up. Go. Get. Everybody is ready on their toes. Go get one red color item. Anything. Go get something in red color. Run. Don't get it from, don't show me your dress or chair or what. Don't show me that. I can see you all showing me that. No bottles also. Bottles are also always with you. Just go in some other room, run and get it. Quickly. Quickly. Run. No showing. Okay. Mani, I've got something new. Yes, she's showing me pillow, bottle, pillow and that game wala thing. Tiffin box. Don't show me your dress or chair on which you all are sitting or the bottle from which you all drink water. And Avi didn't get it. Avi's mom got it. Avi has to get it. That is wrong. That is wrong. Samira has bought a ball. Adya has bought something. What's that, Adya? Red color. I can just see part of it. Is it a box?
It's a music caravan.
Okay, it's a caravan. Okay, she has got a small mini radio kind of there from which we can listen to the sounds. It's a caravan. Okay. Kritika has got a tiffin box. Manya has got that. Okay, okay, okay. Where is your red item, Mahan? Yes, where is yours? Don't show me your t-shirt now. Yes, Rudraksh? Okay, some red. Have you brought a new red color thing? Something very good. One second. I can see everybody. I cannot see Rudraksh on my screen, but he's trying to say me something. Okay, Bhuvana has also bought something. Okay, so basic. Okay, someone has bought rose, red color rose. Good to see that, Hiteshi. Okay, I knew it. You all will show me your bottles, bags, and very nice pillow. Okay, so it was good seeing the different red color items. Yes, it was good watching her running immediately on the instructions given. This shows how alert and active you are in the class. This was not about playing game. This was about being active in the class. Just to see who is listening to me. So now since I know everybody is listening to me, so now I'll start with the class. Today we are not going to do phonic sounds. Today we are not going to do phonic sounds because I will test you all, because from last 2 weeks we are doing phonics. I will test you all while teaching language. Okay? If required, I'll continue with the same phonics or I will change new phonics. I will teach you a new set of phonics. Mute yourselves again. Anybody is calling me, raise your hands. Yes, Ayansh, I can see you. 1 minute.
He bought this one.
What's that? Okay. A kind of, is it a tumbler or a helmet? He's wearing his other head. Okay. Okay. Ayansh has something which is wearing over his head, red in color, and he's wearing a red t-shirt also. Good to see that.
Yeah.
With a smile on his face. Okay. Quickly, now I'll introduce everybody. I'll teach something new. Yes, Naira, 1 minute, let me pin you. Naira has, Swapna has bought some red color card. Okay, Naira, she has bought something school related thing, and that is block. Red block. And she's wearing a red dress also. Nice, good to see you with the block. Yes, so now I will teach her something new. Quickly, everybody will be on mute. No unmuting yourself. It's a new topic. Okay, so if you want, you can switch off your cameras also. I won't force you for today. See, today in English, we are learning something called as sight words. Sight words. What are sight words? Sight words are nothing but the most commonly used words in making sentences. Sight words are nothing but the most common words which we use while we communicate. See, I'm talking to you, so many words whichever I'm using are sight words. For example, my name is Harsha. So your my is a sight word. Name is, again, is a sight word. Hiteshi is a name, so Hiteshi is Hiteshi only. Harsha is Harsha only. So basically, I'll tell you what is in detail we will learn once we start writing. Bhavesh, come back to class. Bhavesh, come back to class. Okay, let your brother play. You can play after the class with him. So sight words are the words which we use in our sentences on regular basis. जो बार-बार use करते हैं ना words, उनको sight words बोलते हैं. In any sentence or whichever book you're reading or wherever you're listening to someone, many times they use the sight words to complete one sentence. To talk or to say a sentence correctly, we need to use sight words. For example, I am a girl. I is a sight word, am is a sight word, is a sight word, because they don't have meaning, but we need to use them. For example, apple. Apple is a fruit, we know. It has a meaning. But few words don't have a meaning. And those words are called sight words. Without those words, we cannot communicate, we cannot talk, we cannot write, we cannot read. For example, I think everybody has got these cards. Correct? These small cards you all have got. So in these, no need of removing. I'm not asked you all to remove also. I'm just informing you all, or I'm just showing you all. These cards have many sight words along with real words also. The nouns, verbs, adjectives, all those words are also there. But they have many sight words also. So today we are going to learn few sight words. There are 100 plus sight words. 100 से भी ज़्यादा sight words है जो हम नहीं पढ़ेंगे. हम सिर्फ basic, common और the most used words we will use. For example, the letter I. I is a sight word. I am a girl. I is a sight word. Then what is this? A. A is a sight word. I am a. A is nothing but to pronounce this as a in a sentence. I am a girl. I am a boy. So these are sight words. These are one letter words. Two letter sight words also we have in the set. My name is Harsha. Mine. Okay. Then we have it. It is a toy. It is a sight word. To is a sight word. A is a sight word. It you pronounce as it. So basically, I'm not showing you all. Only we all are in UKG class. W and E becomes we. These all blends we will learn later. But today we just need to know what are sight words. Sight words are nothing but the most common words which we use in framing the sentences, in writing, reading, talking, anything are the sight words. Okay. So now I request you all to remove your language notebooks. That is the 4-line notebooks. The 4-line notebooks. I'll show you something which we are going to write along with me. You are going to write along with me. You are going to write along with me. Remove your books. Write your date. Write the date. The date for today is 28th. 28th. See, I'll share my screen and I'm going to pronounce it. Listen carefully. Nobody is going to unmute themselves. Nobody is going to unmute themselves. Okay, you all can see my screen now. See, this is what I have written in my notebook. So you are going to write the date for today. And then you are going to write the heading, or the parents are going to write the heading as sight words. Okay? You are going to write the heading as sight words. And now, see, there are few words which we are going to first read and then we are going to start writing. First, we need to read them and then we are going to write them. How we are going to write, I will show you all that also. So, first word is I. I am a girl. You are going to write the word I. The next word is A and am becomes am. Am. See, we are using here phonics. Am. Am. A-N. An. An. There is an apple on the table. An. O and off becomes off. Off. Just break it and use it. Off. Most of the sight words will not use phonics also. But here I tried giving most of the words with phonic sounds. Because we didn't learn still the blends. I and is. I and S becomes is. This is the most common word used in sentences. This is a girl. That is a boy. What is your name? Is. I and S. Everybody is going to repeat after I say the word. You are going to pronounce it. I and S. Is. I and S. Is. It's not is. We pronounce it as is. Because here we are not using phonics. Is. Then A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. A-R-E. R. A-R-E. R. Yes. Mute yourselves. T-H-E. The. T. See, the here it is the. This is also the most common word, just like your is. Is, the, I. These are the most common words used. And here I am giving you only 1, 2 and 3 letter sight words. No 4 and 5. For. For. But. But. And Y-O-U is you. You are a good girl. You are a good boy. You know what happened today? Today, my ma'am taught me something new. See, we use the word you in most of the sentences. You. Y-O-U is you. Y-O-U is you. Mute yourselves. Mute yourselves. Okay. See, just I'll try to show how it has to be written. Since I'm not sure, I've shown you all on board, but I've not shown it on this thing, right? See, basically, capital letters are always flying letters. So what we do is, we write I. What it is, if you are writing in corner, start with corner. If you are writing in center, start writing like this, I. Okay. Next one, what you all are going to write is am, am. I'm just doing it again along with me. You all are going to write 1 time and 2 times as homework. 1 time and 2 times as homework. Am. Am. I've written I center, or you all can write in the corner also. Am. A and M becomes am. Next word, it is A and N, an. A and N, an. Everybody is going to pronounce it along with me. A and N, n. Because we are going to use this now. These words will be used very soon. Okay. Next one, O and F, off. O and F, off. I and S. I and S. Is. I and S. Is. This is the most common word which you all have to remember. A and D, and. A and D, and. A, N and D. This is also and is used to join 2 sentences. I am a girl and I am 5 years old. I am a girl and I am 5 years old. Okay? Other words also you want me to write? And then A-R-E. You are a good girl. You are in UKG class. This is also the most common word used. These are basically whatever I have given you all are the most common words which we use it. Are the most common words which we use it. I'm trying my best to write within the center line. So I expect the same thing from you all. R-A-R-E, R. Within the line. If it is flying, the letter will go up. If it is falling, the letter will come down. Just for the letter U, I will show. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. The next is F-O-U-R, for. F-O-U, sorry, F. I said 4. F-O-R, or F-O-R, for. For. F-O-R, for. Next one, but. Again, it's a flying letter. B-U-T, but. B-U-T, but. And the last letter what we are going to learn for today is Y-O-U-U. Y-O-U-U. Y. Since it's a flying letter, it has to come down. See, here it's not coming. Okay. The Y, this standing line, this line will go down till the 3rd line. Since here in the print, it's not. So what you all are going to do is start with the 2nd line and get it down till here and take a curve. U, Y-O-U. and everybody is going to write in one single line. One off here, one off in between, then here. Just a crooked tree is not supposed to be written. Everybody is going to write in one single line. If you are starting from this point, make sure all other words are writing from the same point. So your book will look neat when you'll show to your friends or family members. The book will look neat. It should not be like me. See how I use one here, 1 second, here and all. Everybody is going to write in one single line. Okay? 1 second. Yes, tell me who's that?
Avi completed, ma'am.
Oh wow.
Thanks so much.
Very good. So it's just not writing, it is all about studying them also, because we are going to use them daily now. These sight words are going to be used by you and by me daily. So nobody is going to just write, they are going to read, learn and write. Read, learn and write. Read, learn and write. Okay? So this is all about your English, which is homework for you all. Okay, now coming to your mathematics. Coming to your mathematics. Yes, very good, Adya. Very neat. Very neat. Adya has written very neat also. And I request everybody to use a proper book. Like Adya used proper book. A 4-line book has to be used by everyone. A 4-line book has to be used by everyone in English. And for cognitive, you are supposed to use, in cognitive, that is your number work, you are supposed to use a square line book. A square line book. So now I want you all to remove your NW page number 12. NW page number 12. NW page number 12. Quickly. Just give me a minute so that I can share the new page on my screen. So now, everybody ready? Write your name and date quickly. Everybody will be again on mute. Once I finish that, I'll get back to you all. I'll clear your doubts. In cognitive, we are doing something which we already learned, or nothing to learn in this. It's just that you need to count and write. What they're asking? See, I'm requesting everybody to remove this page number 12. Everybody is going to write your name here. Okay, wait. See, everybody has to touch the line and write. Everybody has to touch the line and write. Just for the sake of you all, since after checking your homeworks, I found few kids still need practice. I'm trying to show this way, so that at least this will make you all write correctly. Only to show you all, I'm doing this. Letter will be capital. First letter always capital. Rest all letters small. Rest all letters small. And if you all are writing the second name also, give a finger space. And then again first letter capital. Rest all letters small. It didn't go on the line. I have to write on the line. Okay. Only for you all I'm doing this. First letter capital, rest all letters small, and then if you're writing your second name, make sure that again the first letter is capital and again the rest all letters are small. Okay, and then you are going to write the date for today. The date for today will be, what's the date for today quickly? I don't remember.
June. 28 June.
Okay, so 28 small dash 6 small dash 2021. Please write on the line. Since my paper is little bit cross when clicked, that's why it's not coming on the line. But make sure you all touch the line and write. Don't go above the line. Don't come below the line. Write on the line. Okay. Now here count the ball. See, the is a sight word again. And write the number. So again, and is joining two sentences. So this is also a sight word. Write the number. So count the balls. Take your pencil or a scale, point it on each ball and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what you all are going to write here? You all are going to write the number 20. You all are going to write the number 20 because we got 20. Touch the line and write. See, I tried my best to touch the line. Same way you all are going to write. You all are not going to write in between the box. I'll show how. See, if 15 is the answer, you all are not going to write like this. This is wrong. This in between the box is wrong. You all have to touch the line like me. You all have to touch the line like me. Okay? So one more I'll do and rest all will be homework. Count the balls and tell me the answer. What's the answer for the second one?
1, 2,
Count and tell me what is the answer for the second one. Yes? 17, 3, 6, 9, 12. No, count again. Okay, someone said 18. That's correct. The answer is 18. The answer is 18. Yes. Okay. One more will do. Last one will do. Chalo. Count and tell me the answer quickly.
18.
Next one. 18 is correct. Next one.
18, ma'am.
Next one. Third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Yes.
7,
Very good. See, even I wrote 14. So answer is correct. You are going to catch the line and write.
14 is a 40. 14, ma'am.
Yes, it's 14. That's correct. Wow, I can see so many activity sheets on my screen. Very good, Rudraksh. Adya, Hiteshi, Avi, Raven is doing, Abhigna is doing, Yash is doing. Good. Naira, what about you? Kritika is trying to say something. Oh yes, Kritika, tell me the name. Tell me the answer. Since you don't have sheets, I suppose you will need to. These are the sheets which we actually share it with parents or the kids. We deliver it to you, and you all can use them. Okay. So this is what we are supposed to do it. So today it's cognitive. Easy? Easy. Yes. Very good. I can see that. Now quickly tell me, was it easy? Very easy? Yes, Swapna. Very easy, man. Okay. So now, yes. Now I'll take. Okay, mute yourselves. Quickly drink some water. Because I am thirsty, I want you all also to drink water. Quickly drink some water. I'll take 5 more minutes of yours. That's it. Very good, Rudraksh. See, if you all are at home, no? If you all have glasses, use glasses. Bottle also is fine. If you all are using bottle, don't drink from upper. Drink it from down. झूठा करके पियो, no problem. Or else use a glass and drink. No need of drinking from upper. Okay, so now something what we need to learn is in writing in Hindi. We are going to start from today. In Hindi, we are going to start in writing for today, from today. So I want you all to maintain a book. Maintain a broad line book. Broad line book is nothing but I'll show you all. Mota line hoga. You know the line, the width or the distance between two lines will be more. This book is called broad line book. Or else if you don't want this book, the best way to buy a 5-line book. First ask for 5-line book. This will keep the handwriting also good. The kids will write neatly if you use a 5-line book. Basically, English has 4 lines. Same way, Hindi will have 5 lines. If you all can see, if you all can count the lines, there are 5 lines. This is for parents. Instruction for parents. Since from today we are going to start Hindi, so I want you all to maintain a 5-line book for Hindi. 100 pages will be sufficient. Not even 200 is not required. 100 pages will be sufficient. If you all don't find this 5-line book, then go for broad-line book. Don't write in single rule and all. Parents, don't make the kids write in single rule and all. Make them write in broad line or 5-line. First preference will be 5 lines, second preference will be broad line. Okay? So now, today we are going to learn a letter. Before that, a quick recap on all the swears. Everybody is going to repeat after me. E, E, U, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au, Ang, Aha, Ang, Aha. This is something we know. We have to now learn in writing. Sorry. Say anar, A say आम, E से इमली, सबको बोलना है. E से ईख, U से उल्लू, U से ऊन, से small loud. री या रू से ऋषि. Hope you all can see the screen. A से एरी, A से एरी, I से ऐनक, I से ऐनक, O से ओकली, O से ओकली, औ से औरत, औ से औरत, अंग से अंगूर, अंग से अंगूर, आहा से नमः, आहा से नमः. So now today Manya sister finished her class. Tara is roaming behind you. We are going, yes, I can see her. We are going to learn the letter A in writing. We are going to learn the letter A in writing. For that, see, quickly for Hindi class, every day you are going to get one slate and chalk piece, or else the whiteboard if you have. We are not directly writing in the notebook. We are going to first practice them in writing. We are going to first practice in writing. Mute yourselves. Just 2 more minutes of yours and I'll end the class. This is something new. For the first time we are learning it. So I want you all to concentrate here. 1 second. I want you all to concentrate here. So basically हिंदी में हम लोग फर्स्ट लेटर स्वर का फर्स्ट लेटर अ प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. इसके लिए कल से सबको एक स्लेट लाना है या बोर्ड लाना है विथ मार्कर. No directly writing in the notebook. This is the rule for the class. No notebooks in Hindi first. First will be slate or this. Slate लेके आओ, नहीं तो board लेके आओ. Marker या chalk piece के साथ. So first, parents or kids, if you want directly, you will write the letter here. How you are going to write A? First, number 3. Write a big A on your board. First, number 3. Then center make small sleeping line. Then standing line. And then end it with sleeping line again. Small sleeping line. A से अनार. से I'll show it again. से अनार. इसके ऊपर क्या करना है? 5 times you are going to trace the letter. 5 times tracing of the letter will take place on the slate or board. और बोल के लिखना है. अ से अनार. अ से अनार. A से अनार. 3 times I did. The same way 5 times you are supposed to trace the letter. 5 times you are supposed to trace the letter. If you are not getting still, trace it for 10 times also. But first learn it and then do it in your notebook. Again, everybody's eyes on the screen. No using notebooks for Hindi initially. रुद्राक्ष का आता है तो उसने लिख दिया है. Correct? कितना लिखना है? I'll tell you all. Wait. First again, number 3. See, this is your 5-line book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you are going to do is, in your second, third and fourth line, you are going to write the letter like this. This is your 5-line book. ऊपर वाली एक लाइन, नीचे वाली एक लाइन छोड़ दो. बीच के 3 लाइन्स में अ लेटर लिखना है. So basically, number 3, a small sleeping line in center. Then get a big standing line, join it with a big standing line, and then end it. Always you'll end it with a sleeping line on the letter A. Trace it और बोल के लिखो. अ से अनार, अ से अनार, अ से अनार. Clear? You'll want me to show it again. So ये होने के बाद practice करने के बाद, if you all are sure that you all know, if you all are sure that you all know how to write the letter A, remove your Hindi book. This instruction is again for parents. Remove your Hindi book, write the date if you all want above the letter, draw 5 lines. Because you are going to practice, or don't draw 5 lines, just draw a line and you are just going to practice the letter A. Just practice the letter A. Full 1 page, you are going to write 1 full column. And 10 to 12 times you are going to write letter A. Kali will practice other letters, that time we'll write the second letter. We are not practicing tomorrow, but we'll practice next week. So letter A practice karna hai. Okay, this is your Hindi homework. So we finished learning something new in Hindi, in English, okay, and how to write correctly the name and date also on the line. So now if you all have any doubts, please ask me so that I can start with, or I can end the class. Yes, Kashi? Sorry? Book? Okay. Okay, 1 second. This is a broad line book. I prefer you all to buy a 5-line book. Avi has traced it. Very good, Avi. I can see the tracing on the letter A. Everybody is going to trace it. That is compulsory rule. Yes, Abhigna, I can see that. A se anar bol ke likhna hai. So that's all for today. We had a long class today. So take some rest and then do your homework. Post it with me in the group. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Meet you all tomorrow. See you all tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care, everybody. Learn.